We're having a great time celebrating Halloween on the high seas and making some frightfully fun memories with you. See you next time.
Hi, good morning, you guys. It's our last day. Well, it's not even our last day. It's time to get off the boat. They gave us luggage tags yesterday, and you have to put them on the luggage that you don't want to carry and leave it outside your door for the suitcases you don't want. And then anything you have to use, you use as a carry-on. So then you bring in your suitcase to breakfast. They tell you what time to come to breakfast. Our time was 7:10. Super early. They want us off the boat at 8. We're already docked, so I think pretty much as soon as we're done, they're gonna be like, everything has been smooth so far. We'll see how the rest of it goes.
This announcement is to inform you that the Disney winter is now cleared by local Customs and Border Protection for those guests with luggage tags, colors, and characters that are purple with Minnie. You are kindly invited to disembark the ship at this time.
Here we go.
Free mid-ship. Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to be swapped off the ship.
Oh, there we are. Oh, it's not that cool outside. It was cooler in the cruise, yeah? Hi, you guys. As you can tell, we are off the ship. We have disembarked. It is so sad. So the process pretty much is you eat your breakfast at the time they tell you. You say bye to your servers. You give them like the envelope with the tip. It could be the tip that they pre-charge you, or you can add more or less or however it is. And then you go and wait around somewhere in the lounge or somewhere until your number gets called. It took about 30 minutes for our number to get called. You go down, you wait in the line, and then you see border patrol. They check your passport, take your picture, and then you get approved, and you're done. And that's it. The car thing was fairly easy. We did panic a little bit because it showed $118. It showed $118, and we're like, wait. So we had to click the help me button, and then she asked for our reservation number and the name, and that's it. And we actually paid $60. So I would say prepay for parking rather than just figuring it out when you get there. And now we're at the 4,000 bus. It's only less than 2 miles away. I highly recommend it. It's cash only. And it's really homemade Mexican food. That's the best way I can explain it. It's like homemade Mexican food. So we're going to eat that. And then, I don't know, we'll see where this takes us. Maybe like a 4-minute drive from Las Cuatro Mil Bus is this restaurant called Din. Here's the name of it. It's really good. We actually saw it on social media, and I was like, let's just go. It had just opened at the time we got there, so we were the only customers there. Great customer service, great food, beautiful place. It's in the middle of like a neighborhood, but it's really beautiful. They did a really good job of making you feel like you're somewhere else. As you can see, all of the detailing in the tables, the detailing in the bar, everything is just amazing. I had their sandwich. It was really spicy and really good. I would highly recommend it. And then Brendan had their beef cakes. Not sure what they're called, but he also recommends them. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but it's so worth it and great customer service. And the rest of our San Diego day will have to be on a different vlog because we ended up going to the San Diego Zoo and I ended up recording it for you guys. So it's a lot of footage that I have to go through and edit for you guys, and I hope you enjoy that as well. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of these adventures that we go to. Don't forget to ask me any questions about leaving the Disney cruise and the process behind it. It was actually really smooth. You do have to wait. You did have to find a spot, but really smooth overall. I hope you guys liked our adventures during the Disney cruise. I know my husband did and I did, and now I can't wait to go back. I was literally looking for Christmas ones. That's how much I wanted to get back on. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, adios.